Pronunciation lesson. How do you pronounce this? Exactly, it's R. Okay, now let's add F to this word. How do you pronounce this now? No, it's not forward. It's four. It's four. Okay, now let's remove this F and add H. Now what's this pronunciation? No, not hour. It's R. R. Okay, now let's remove this H and add P. Now what's the sound? Yes, it's po. It's po. Now let's remove this P and add S. Now what's the pronunciation? Not sour. It's sour. It's sour. Now let's remove this S and add Y. Now what's the pronunciation? Yaur? No, this is your.